I work at Kroger because I love it.
I'm energized when I come into work.
There are so many opportunities.
It's 450,000 people, but it is the smallest family that you could ever imagine.
If you want to work in accounting, if you want to work in merchandising.
It doesn't feel like a hierarchical or patriarchal place. They're not afraid to put women in leadership positions.
If you want to run a store or a department.
I really do think that Kroger has so many opportunities for women in leadership.
We all have things outside of work and inside of work, and it's important to support the whole person and not just your work person.
That's something to be celebrated, and I think the company is progressive and looking to do more and advance women.
That I can have a job where I feel fulfilled, but I can also balance that with my home and my life obligations.
That sense of community that you feel when you walk in.
And we try to encourage each other and help each other grow.
It definitely is more than just a job.
Kroger is doing some amazing things to try and reach beyond ourselves and
impact customers' lives on a day-to-day basis in a positive way. We can actually influence people and make their days better when we get it right, and that's exciting to do.
We all have our challenges in our personal lives, and to see how our company embraces those and brings in people of diversity makes me incredibly, unbelievably proud to work for Kroger.